What if you could lose weight not by changing what you eat, but when you eat? Intermittent fasting has helped millions lose weight by simply restricting their eating window. Today, I'll break down the 4 most popular intermittent fasting methods, their benefits, and which one might be perfect for you. Intermittent fasting is based on restricting the time window during which you eat. As registered dietitian Divya Selvakumar explains, intermittent fasting focuses on when you eat, not what you eat. The goal is to induce ketosis, a metabolic state where your body burns fat for energy instead of sugar. Limited studies show it can help people lose weight within weeks. Method 1. 16 to 8. Intermittent fasting. The 16 to 8 approach is the most popular method. You fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window each day. Most people skip breakfast, eating from noon to 8 p.m. Alternatively, you could skip dinner and eat from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Nutritionist Natalie Allen says most choose 16 to 8 because it's easier to follow than other versions. Research shows this method helps you lose fat and potentially improves cholesterol levels. Method 2. Alternate day fasting. This involves eating normally for 2 days, then fasting or severely restricting calories on the 3rd day. Allen notes this is less common and may be the most challenging type. A 2017 study states it may not be practical because it leads to extreme hunger on fasting days. Experts worry about blood sugar, insulin levels, energy, and cognitive function during full-day fasts. Method 3. 5 to 2 intermittent fasting. The 5 to 2 method involves eating normally 5 days a week and drastically reducing calories for 2 days. Women typically consume 500 calories, men 600 calories on fasting days. A 2018 study found that while 5 to 2 was effective for weight loss, it wasn't more effective than continuous daily calorie restriction. Method 4, OMAD, 1 meal a day. OMAD restricts your eating to just 1 hour daily, fasting for 23 hours. This extreme form can be effective for weight loss and may reduce cardiovascular disease risk factors. However, you must resist overeating during your meal window, as extreme hunger is a common side effect of this method. While intermittent fasting is generally safe for healthy adults, it's not for everyone. Allen warns that people with diabetes, pregnant or breastfeeding women, athletes, and children should not try intermittent fasting. People with eating disorders should also avoid intermittent fasting and restrictive diets in general. During fasting periods, you're allowed calorie-free beverages like coffee, tea, and water. For healthy adults wanting to try intermittent fasting, Allen advises, choose the hours you want to eat and fast. Make healthy choices during eating times and see if it works for you. What you eat during your eating window is crucial for preventing hunger pangs. Focus on nutrient-dense, satisfying foods rather than processed options. Start with the 16 to 8 method as it's most sustainable, then consider other approaches if needed. Alternate day is most challenging with extreme hunger. 5 to 2 is effective but not superior to daily calorie restriction. OMAD is extreme but can work for some people. The key is finding a method that fits your lifestyle and that you can maintain long-term. Consistency matters more than perfection. Intermittent fasting offers 4 main approaches: 16 to 8 for beginners, alternate day for the committed, 5 to 2 for structured eating, and OMAD for extreme results. Each has benefits and challenges. Remember, intermittent fasting focuses on when you eat, not what you eat. The goal is achieving ketosis, where your body burns fat for energy. Start with 16 to 8 if you're new to fasting. Ensure you're a good candidate and focus on healthy food choices during eating windows. Which intermittent fasting method interests you most? Have you tried any of these approaches? Share your experiences in the comments. Subscribe for more evidence-based nutrition and health tips, and I'll see you in the next video.